Alec Baldwin is a free man. The actor's involuntary manslaughter trial was shockingly dismissed on Friday, July 12, with prejudice, meaning the case linked to the fatal 2021 shooting of cinematographer Halyna Hutchins on the set rust and can never be charged against Baldwin again. First Judicial District Judge Mary Marlowe Sommer granted Baldwin's legal team's motion to dismiss the case after 66-year-old's lawyers claimed evidence potentially linked to the investigation was hid by prosecutors. The defense alleged live ammunition that had been presented to local law enforcement related to the probe into the deadly Rust shooting had been concealed from them. The legal filing had accused prosecutors of relying on the assumption that the live rounds were brought to the set by the movie's armorer, Halyna Gutierrez-Reed, who had already been convicted in her own involuntary manslaughter trial related to Hutchins' death back in March. But they said the state concealed evidence potentially pointing to an external source of the live ammunition, referring to Rust prop firearm supplier Seth Kenney. Judge Sommer informed the court the state's discovery violation, a result of the late disclosure of a supplemental report on the ammunition evidence, has injected needless delay instant jury trial, approached bad faith, and was highly prejudicial to the defendant. There is no way for the court to right this wrong, the judge declared. The sanction of dismissal is the only warranted remedy. After the judge announced her decision, Alec covered his hands over his face while sobbing uncontrollably before hugging his defense attorneys and his wife, Halyna Baldwin, as people began filing out of the courtroom. The involuntary manslaughter trial against Baldwin was on day 3 in New Mexico when the judge dismissed the case. If convicted, the Beetlejuice star would have faced 18 months in prison. Baldwin was charged with involuntary manslaughter after pulling the trigger of an 1873 single-action revolver replica that killed Hutchins at Bonanza Creek Ranch in October 2021. More to come.